So this is going to be a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, meditating, literally anything. Hi, my name is Laksana and I'm just an average guy trying to be consistent. One of my biggest achievements in being consistent is that I currently have in 145 days straight morning push-up streaks fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. And hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So, yeah, this is April 1st, 2025, and this is going to be day 267 of consistently helping people build consistency. So here's the thing. One of the best way on being consistent, right? On being consistent of doing something is to basically just join a good and supportive community of your specific field. Okay. So notice the keywords are good and supportive community, right? Yeah, I'm not talking about just some random community because, you don't want your community to be toxic. You don't want to surround yourself with people who only, like care about themselves and, basically just being toxic and stuff, right? It needs to be supportive. And what does it mean to be supportive? Well, I'm referring to, like people are actually nice. And also if there's some kind of like competition, right? Competitiveness in the community, it's going to be like the healthy ones, right? The healthy like healthy competition. Like even if you want to outgrow your friends on that particular group, you still want to see them succeed. Okay. That's basically what I mean by having a supportive community. So, for example, if you want to exercise consistently, you really struggle to exercise consistently, then join a supportive fitness community, okay? Where, like, where they not only being obsessed with how big they look, okay? But they also care about, each member's struggle, okay? Like others member progress, others member struggle. They want to help you to grow, right? Or maybe like if you want to read some books consistently, you can also join some book clubs where they're like, like read some books together and like share what they have just read, right? And yeah, join a club where people actually want to share insights and actually listen to you and not just, they're not just being obsessed with, like trying to look smart or anything, right? So here's the thing. Why joining a supportive community in your specific field is going to be effective in helping you to be consistent. So the first reason will be, when you just, like be inside of a community of your specific field, you are going to encounter lots of people with the same, like-minded mind, right? They have the same interests. Like if you, basically if you join a fitness community, everybody there will have this same interest of fitness, right? Yeah, that's pretty common sense. And when you have this same interest, big chances you also share the same struggle, okay? And here's the thing. You guys can just like share your stories, right? Share your stories, share your interests, share your thoughts about your, like some certain idea that you've got inside of your mind about this field. And yeah, share your struggle. And here's the thing. When you just share your struggle and share your progress, you're good. And like the people that are in there, they actually also care about that kind of progress. They actually like appreciate and they respect such progress. They also like, like they also share the same stories, the same struggle. Like, hey, you know what? I joined fitness because, my crush didn't like me back. Oh yeah, like that's the same with me too. It's not like you just like shared your struggle and why why you like join fitness in the first place. And basically, when you just kind of like find this some sense of what do you say similarity, you're going to feel some sense of belonging to the group, right? You want to stay in the group because you feel like you are being appreciated. People in there are actually like similar to you. They actually share the same stories, share the same struggle. And when you feel like being accepted on the group, the probability of you sticking to the group is going to be higher, right? And when you stay on the this community, then the probability of you continuing the thing is going to be higher, because will not it be weird if you join a fitness community but you don't really exercise and you don't really eat healthy and stuff, right? So basically the sense of belonging when you just meet the people with the same interest with you is going to help you to stay consistent. Okay, that's the first reason. And then the second reason is going to be, you are going to meet more experienced people, people with more experience in this field. Okay. And, like if you just starting out to exercise and then you join some fitness community, the chances there are going to be, like this, I don't know, this person who've been like years, he've got like years of experience in fitness. And when this is a supportive community, right? Those people, right? They want to help you. They want to help you, right? They can give you advices. They can guide you to become better, right? In this particular field, they can share. They can share their experiences. They can share their stories about how they progress, how to, maybe exercise better, how to see more progress and so on and so on. And also have a good expectation, right? Have a good expectation of your progress. Because, when we are starting new in a field, we tend to have a not so healthy expectation, right? We tend to want to have everything fast and, just progress like really, really fast, right? And these people, right, these experienced people, they're going to tell you what type of healthy expectation, realistic expectation that's going to help you, right? So even if you maybe like if you've gotten to 2 weeks of like exercising, but you still don't see any progress, but then there's this one experienced person that say that, hey, you know what, you still need to stick to at least 3 months to actually see some decent progress. Like I also used to be in your place and, like blah, 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 blah. He basically just tell you just his experiences, right? His experiences and his struggle. And he basically teach you the right expectation and motivate you that, hey, if you just stick long enough to this thing, you're actually going to see progress. Okay. That's the second reason. When you just meet more experienced people, you're going to, and these people actually care about you. When these people actually care about you, you are going to grow much faster and have better expectation. And yeah, again, the key word is people with more experience and supportive. Okay, because there are going to be like people who got more experiences, but they are just being you know, not really nice and arrogant. You don't really want to like be with those type of people. Okay. And then the third reason why joining a community, supportive community, is going to be effective in helping us be consistent is because we are going to be building an identity, right? Oh yeah, if I join a fitness community and I be active there, well then that means that I'm a member of the fitness community, right? And we humans, when we like join some type of community that we actually enjoy, that we actually kind of happy being in there, we are going to be having some sense of pride, right? Oh yeah, I'm a proud member of the fitness community. Okay, basically, we are going to be developing an identity and we are going to be proud about the identity, right? Oh yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really like, like you maybe like like bring it into conversations. You tell your friends that, hey, I'm a member of a fitness community. I'm a member of a debate club, right? Something like that. So I'm a member of, some, I don't know, meditation community and so on and so on. So basically, when we have this sense of identity and we are proud of it, guess what? We want to maintain it, okay? We do not want to lose the identity, okay? Once the identity is established, we do not want to lose it, okay? Because it feels good to associate ourselves with positive things. It feels good when we associate ourselves with, being this one person who's healthy and always exercise consistently and is being a part of a fitness group, fitness community, right? So basically, by having an identity, we are going to be having more motivation to actually, maintain, right? Maintain that identity. And how do we actually maintain this identity? Identity precisely by being consistent at doing the particular thing, right? at, like in continuing your exercise, right? You maintain your identity as a member of a fitness group by consistently joining the fitness group, by consistently attending meetings, by consistently doing the doing the exercising itself, eating healthy itself, sleeping good itself, okay? And yeah, basically, that's how you stay consistent, by joining a community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Join our Discord. And also, you can support me on Gumroad by buying me a coffee if you like my work. And yeah, thank you for watching. And for today's date authenticity post, today memes are posted a pie chart meme last 24 hours. Thank you. This is April 1st.